Hey guys, it's John from the Pedal Dad. Today I'm going to give you a long-term review of the Fox 34 Grip 2 upgrade. I've had this upgrade on my Fox 34 fork for the last year, so I'm just going to share with you my experiences and what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And so a little bit of background. I originally have the Fit 4 on my original Santa Cruz 5010. Just transferred the fork here. It was a 2019 V3 X01 reserve build. It came with Fit 4 and Performance Elite fork. I think it worked well with that setup. The Fit 4 will benefit somebody who pedals a lot, those who like to set it and forget it. It's very simple to set up. You can set it up in like minutes and then go. I mean, if you want to really take advantage of the whole fork, you can. It will take you probably a week and then you're good to go. It's great if you go up and down the mountain regularly, because you can just lock it up, go up and then go down, enjoy. You don't care about the fine-tuned settings. Yeah, setup time is probably cut it to half. What's the advantages of the Grip 2s? I think the best advantage of the Grip 2 is that it can fine-tune your suspension settings, and those who like everything else to be perfect, this is a great upgrade for you. For those who don't really care about the settings and just take the factory settings, I think this is too much, and the Fit 4 would probably be a better option. Just note, the Fit 4, it has 3 settings: open, medium and firm. On the top, it's adjustable low speed compression as well if you are in open mode. In the bottom there is only one adjustment, so comparing that to the new Grip 2 damper, you have of course an independent high speed compression and low speed compression, and then high speed and low speed rebound adjusted independently. It is much more complicated. Now this is a part of the trail where I really miss the Fit 4 damper, where you can just lock it and go up. So let's climb over here. See, you can just lock up some compression to do that, but I don't really want to do it. Where I like this fork, going down on very rocky sections of the trail, this fork really shines compared to the old Fit 4. So if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope the information was helpful. Until next time, keep on pedaling. Thank you very much.